Yo, what is going on, team? This is Art, and I'm going to be giving you guys a quick update video for our ArtsTrading visualizer. That is the indicator that shows up down here. This is the free indicator that I am giving you guys just for being a viewer, for subscribing and liking videos. I appreciate that as always. So this is just a quick little aesthetic video, just kind of explaining how to use it, how to install it, and overall just the new changes that were made. The new changes that were made are the short and buy signal showing up as green and red. This was done by actually a subscriber. Shout out to Scott for the small changes that were made here. I really do appreciate it. It's very clean looking, and overall I think it looks great. So let me just get into this. I'm going to have the link in the description below for the indicator, and I'll show you guys really quickly how to install it and set it up and how you should use it in terms of different scenarios when it comes to trading in the stock market. So to start off, we're going to go to our little setup gear at the top right. We're going to go to open shared item. We're going to paste the link, again that is in the description. And from here we're going to preview, and we're going to, it should show up as a different name, it'll show up as share. So I just personally renamed it to ArtsTrading Visualizer just so it's a little easier for me. So you're going to hit import. I already have it, so I'll just overwrite it. And so from here, we're going to go to our beaker, edit studies. I'm going to type in ArtsTrading. In my case, for you guys, it'll be something like share. And we're going to hit add selected. From here, we're going to put it down to our lower bound. So that's down here. You kind of just drag and drop it. You're going to go to your gear icon, P1, turn off show plot, show bubble, show title. P2, the exact same thing. And then for P3, also the same thing. You're going to hit OK. And then you're going to hit apply. Now you have the indicator right here, and what you're going to do is actually read it as it is. So when it hits 3, this is a short signal, and when it hits green, this is a long signal. And the way you want to go about reading this is a swing trade indicator. So when you look at this, from 850 on Tesla, it was firing a short signal all the way down to about 560. So notice all this time we saw a short signal in terms of a daily chart. I personally recommend you guys use an hourly, a 4-hour, a daily chart, because it does give you a great idea of what you're going to see in the next couple of days when it comes to trading a particular stock. In this case, it is Tesla. So notice how we went from red, then kind of sat around neutral. I typically don't like to trade it when it's between 1 and 2. You could still see it maybe go back into, say, red or green when it's between 1 and 2, which is why, again, I don't really try to touch that. So in terms of a long term, I wouldn't be taking a swing trade if it sits between 1 and 2. But once it starts firing red or for green, then you would be considering a short or a long position respectively. So notice right here, Tesla started firing a green. This is right here. I think personally that Tesla will bull flag and at least test this 50 SMA at 720 sometime in the next coming days. That's just how I see it. Again, keep in mind that we're looking at this on daily, 4-hour, and on hourly charts. So here's our bull flag. If we can break above 690, which is the 200-day moving average for the 4-hour chart, I would consider a long position from there. But until then, I'm fairly neutral. So notice we have a green fire right here from the 31st of March all the way over to the 7th of March. So this entire time, notice that the price action was to the upside, which is why I'm personally pretty bullish in terms of Tesla, because if we can see it break above the 200-day moving average, we'll definitely watch it run higher. Again, this is just kind of to give you an idea about swing trades. I wouldn't use this for day trades personally. I know it can work, but it's not optimized for that. So right here you can see we pinged a reversal to the upside. We almost have a crossover for our MACD, and RSI is fairly neutral. But keep in mind that we also have that same exact setup, that massive bull flag. So really quickly, let me pull that up. That is what we see right here. And if we can get this thing to cross up, we'll watch the fire from 3 go back down to 0, and we'll take a long position to maybe retest again that 700 area plus. So just really quickly, that's just kind of how you're going to go about reading this. That's how I would personally use it, and that's how I use it in a day-to-day trading atmosphere. You can, again, show a 5-minute chart, and you can see it, firing a 0, or firing a 3 meaning to go short for this entire morning. And then it went for green once we had this little bounce, and then green again for this bounce right here. But I personally wouldn't use it for a 5-minute chart. Again, I just don't know the results. Results may vary. And overall, I think it's just a very strong tool to have when it comes to a swing trade. And obviously don't base every single thing off of this little line that we have, but it is a nice tool to have. Again, I have the link in the description below for you guys, and I hope that this was a very quick, concise tutorial for you guys to have the new updated version of the ArtsTrading Visualizer. And once again, I would like to shout out Scott for making this nice little aesthetic update for our indicator. That said, I'm going to be wrapping up the video here. Feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and leave any sort of feedback. I am still working on the mic quality volume problem that we've been having here recently. I hope that this video is a little better. And that said, I'll catch you guys in the next video. I will be live for the stock talk fairly soon, and I'll see you guys then. Peace.